Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing my birthday manicure because today, October 6th, is actually my birthday. Yay! But yeah, I was really excited to share this specific nail polish with you guys and also some other big news that I will be sharing in a little bit, but here's a little sneak peek already, and some of you might have already seen it on Instagram, but I will get back to that later. But first, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's just get into this little nail polish of the week video, which I always share once a week on Wednesdays, in which I talk about a nail polish color that I've been wearing for the last couple of days, maybe even a week, sometimes even longer. For this one, I have worn it for over a week already, and I just really love the polish because it's so festive, and you know, it's my birthday today, so let's just make it a little extra festive. But of course, before going in with the colored polish, I'm going in with a base. I'm just using a random one by Essie. I just grabbed one from my work desk and just slapped it on. It's actually a quite decent one. I don't really feel like it is super protective when it comes to staining or anything like that, but it has a decent like grip for the colored nail polish to actually grab onto, and the longevity wasn't that bad, I have to say, with this base. Of course, I haven't tried this base coat with a ton of different polishes yet, so for this specific one that I will be using in a little bit, it did its job. So yeah, this is actually a mini that I got from the advent calendar from last year. I'm really hoping to get my hands on the new Essie advent calendar as well, like the 2021 box, of course. But yeah, I have only seen it for like a super insanely high price, so I'm not getting it just now because I feel like I'm not gonna pay like 90 towards $100 for an advent calendar that I actually got last year for like 50 bucks. So yeah. But back to the polish, because this one is actually called Cottontail Confetti and it is by the brand Colors de Carol. I really hope I'm pronouncing this correctly because you guys know English isn't my mother tongue. I'm actually Dutch, so please correct me if I'm wrong, if I have to pronounce this differently, but I've seen a ton of different videos and they all pronounce it like Colors de Carol, so yes, please correct me if I'm wrong because I haven't heard it been said otherwise. But yeah, this color, let me just take you all on a magical close-up ride because it is so festive. It is so pretty. It is like a milky white, like an off-white kind of base, still quite sheer, but you can definitely build it up like I will be doing with 3 coats in this video. And it got a ton of colorful matte glitter in here, but next to all of those colorful matte glitters in different sizes, there are also some black square glitters in there, and those are also matte, if I can see this correctly on my nails, because I'm still wearing it as we speak. But in that off-white milky base, there is also a ton of beautiful, super finely milled holographic shimmer, which makes this polish such a unique one, because of course we've all seen a ton of sheer or milky like polishes with glitter in them, like the colorful glitter, not necessarily, but of course there are a ton of them out there that contain glitter, but I haven't seen many with such a shimmery holographicness to them, and it is not really visible to the naked eye like from a really far distance, but when you get up close and personal to this polish, whether it's in the bottle or onto the nails, it is so pretty. It really gives it like something magical, fairy-like looking, just because it is very holographic, but really delicate, and just, oh, it's just so pretty. I love that this shimmer is in here. It is gorgeous. Oh, I have actually purchased this polish myself at hypnoticpolish.com. Definitely check that web store out if you're curious like getting into indie brands as well, because I'm really loving it at the moment. I am discovering so many beautiful new brands, and of course they are a little bit more on the pricey side. I actually can't remember what I paid for this one, but I guess it's like around 10 euros, maybe a little above. I can't remember. It's been sitting on my desk just waiting for the date to come, like October 6th today, that I could finally use it because I just felt this is such like a cupcake topping, like sprinkles kind of looking polish, that I just had to keep it for my birthday and just slap it on when the time was right. But yeah, it's a really gorgeous polish. I really love it. I'm definitely going to see if I can get some other colors from this specific brand as well, because I've never tried this brand before apart from this polish. So if you have any recommendations on what colors to get from this brand, definitely let me know. You guys know me so well already. You know what I like, what I love, what I'm excited about, and what I love to share. So if you have any recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. But yeah, I'm already applying the second coat here. It is just such a festive, lovely polish. I think it looks really cute. Also, you can definitely wear this whatever gender you are, whatever your background is. I just feel like if you have something to celebrate, this is the polish to go for. And I just really love the colored glitter in here, and the fact that they're actually matte, so they don't really sparkle in your face all the time, but because there are so many bright colors, they are definitely eye-catching. And I really love that it isn't like fully opaque within just 1 to 2 coats, and that you can still see like the previous layers or coats of polish underneath. So there's like a ton of matte neon glitter like popping up, even though some are a little bit covered, you know. I just really love the layering effect because it gives a lot of depth. And yeah, I just really love the colors. Like, who doesn't like a bright blue, like a bright lemon kind of yellow, and a lime green, like hot pink. There's even like an orangey red kind of glitter in here. I really love it. But yeah, there's actually not much else I really want to share in this video. I have already mentioned on my Instagram that there are a lot of things like happening in my life at the moment. No worries, they're all really positive. But yeah, it might have some consequences for my YouTube for at least December, January. So yeah, I'm not quite sure how much I'm going to share so far, but if you're really curious to know more, definitely follow me on my Instagram account, because I do share some more personal stuff on there. And yeah, of course you can always ask in the comments below as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna quit rambling about that for now before I spill too much tea. But yeah, fun things are happening really soon, and I'm definitely gonna take you on the journey with me. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about it, because before I know it, I will have already just spilled it all and told you everything that's happening in my life. But yeah, there's like one big kinda noticeable thing in this video, and you might have already seen it and guessed it. But yeah, leave your comments down below if you already know what I'm talking about. Maybe leave like hints, emojis or something if you have been following me on Instagram and you do know what I'm talking about. But yeah, let's get back into like the footage and just this beautiful polish, because that is what my nail polish of the week videos are all about. I really love it. Like, I can highly recommend it. Definitely check it out. It's just such a cute polish. Like, just look at it. It's like cupcake frosting and sprinkles. What's not to love about it? But yeah, it is pretty much time to slap on the top coat. Of course, you do want to wait like a couple of minutes before going in with your top coat, or just wait before your colored coats are completely dry. I tend to wait like 3 towards 5 minutes in between coats before I go in with the next one. But the top coat I'm going to use is actually one by Orly. I got this one sent out by PR like half a year ago or something, so I haven't purchased it myself, but it is a pretty decent top coat. I do feel like you have to use a little bit more product at a time to really get like a lovely even effect. I almost wanted to say like mooi, which is pretty or beautiful in Dutch. It's really late in the evening now recording this voiceover, so sorry if I sometimes stumble upon my words a little bit, because my brain just gets all foggy and can only think of Dutch words for some reason. So sorry about that. But yeah, mooi means beautiful. And that's what your nails will become after using just a little bit more product, a nail, for this top coat. Because if you don't use enough product, I feel like the top coat can get a little like streaky looking and not just a flawless, smooth end result. Other than that, like knowing how long I have worn this manicure already, it has not chipped, it has not budged. Like, I really like this top coat so far. It might have to do that this polish is pretty much like 90% glitter, and that's the reason why it didn't like really chip or budge or anything. But I do feel like the top coat had a pretty nice part playing in it as well, just making sure that everything stays put, even though I have a really manual, like heavy duty job. But yeah, this was my entire new nail polish of the week video. I really hope you liked it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. And as usual, stay safe and healthy. And I hope to see you in my next video as well.